What's the key signature of A flat? How do I write out a rhythm like this? How do I communicate more effectively with other musicians? What's a G Phrygian scale? What are modes? What's a quarter-inch cable? What's an XLR cable? Why is it that some of these quarter-inch cables have 2 black rings on them, 2 sets of black rings, and not just 1? What are the difference between these different things? What is claves? It's something that is still relevant today in popular music. Spoiler alert, it is. I want to learn to play guitar, bass, drums, keys, sing better. What are the most common types of mics that you're going to find? The 57 and the 58, and why would you use one over the other? What are the 2 fundamental principles of vocal technique, resonance and resistance? We will answer all of these questions and more in a fantastic series of workshops called Good Ingredients. This is a system developed by Donnie Milwaukee, a drummer, music educator, multi-instrumentalist, producer, and we have a number of free workshops coming up. You can check below to see the exact dates. All brought to you by the Canada Council for the Arts. 100% free, donations accepted, but otherwise free. These workshops are part of the Lab X series of workshops presented by the Urban Science Family, Cypher, Urban Science Brass Band. These are all projects that I lead that are based around hip hop and soul with a live band, often with a strong emphasis on improvisation, merging the worlds of jazz and hip hop together. These workshops have been running for the last year and they've really been incredible. It's been amazing to see people develop their skills, get more and more confident, starting from almost no formal musical education to, like I said, knowing your key signatures, knowing your chords, knowing your scales, all this kind of stuff, being able to notate rhythms when you hear them. This is a tremendous, tremendous opportunity of free music education. So anyway, check out the link, come check out some of these workshops coming up. See you soon.